Hello my dear students. So as you know that your exams are approaching, so it's going to start from Monday. So I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file, okay, in a simple way. For that, first of all, you have to go to Play Store, type over here Office, okay, and then install this one, first one, Microsoft Office. So it is getting installed, okay. So let's wait for few seconds. Okay, now it is getting installed. Okay, it is installed. Now I'm going to open it. So when you open it for the first time, you have to give permission like allow, okay, then things getting ready for you. Now you can see here checking for account, like we have given you the Microsoft account. If you remember, you can use that one also. So for that, first of all, get here the Microsoft ID whichever is given to you, like for example aman.karim8 at the rate bdmemorial.onmicrosoft.com. that one you can enter it and you can use the password also, okay. So here I am not going to enter anything, so just for your demo I am teaching you. Now directly we'll go to sign in later. So sign in later is already done, okay. Next, this one upper one, don't close, okay. So now you can see here this type of interface you will get it. So now you will tab on action button, okay. So what I'm going to do it here, you can see here you have to picture to PDF, okay. We are going to convert the picture to PDF, so we'll click on picture to PDF. It is done. So I have clicked the pages already, okay. So make sure that you click the pages clearly, okay, focusing on the four corners of your answer script, and then that will be saved in your gallery, okay. So now I am going to select 1 2 3. I have done it. Now next, okay, done. Okay, so now what we have to do is that we have to click on the three dot. Now we'll click on save as. So where you are going to save this file, so I'm going to save this on my own device, so this device. So where, on document. So I'll rename this file, like I'll write here Aman, 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 or name of the subject like English literature, okay. Done. Aman English, that just to know the name of the file, okay. Then I'll save it. Done. So it is already done. Now go back, close all the windows, you close it, and then go to Microsoft Teams. So let it open. It takes a little bit of time depending upon the network. It's open. Now you can see here, don't get confused over here. I have so many groups over here, so just focus on class 8. So class 8, just below general, you can see here annual examination, okay. So I'll click on annual examination, okay. I've clicked. Then in the next stage I'll click on files, okay. I'll go to the subject. According to the subject, every day your subjects will be different. So just for your demo I am going to click on English literature, okay. I'm going to click it. Clicked. Now I'll tab on the plus button. Then we have to upload only. So your children are requested not to create folder of your own. Just tab on upload and check where the file is uploaded, okay, where you have saved. So go to three dot, and then this my device. So I'll go to document. So here you can see here Aman English literature. This file I am going to select it. So it is getting uploaded, okay, preparing to upload. So it will take a little bit of time depending upon the speed of your network. So once it is done, it will be submitted in the given folder. So make sure that you submit or upload the answer script in the subject folder, whichever subject is on that particular day. So don't get confused over submitting the files here and there. Suppose for example on Monday you have English literature or physics, the same way one by one I am going to make the folders ready for you, okay. Right now only 2 folders are made ready for you, okay. So it is done. So file is already submitted. So then you have to leave this page over, then next prepare for the next exam. So this is a simple way to use your Office account, which is given to you by default, which you can use it by your Microsoft ID also. So once you use it, you will be given lot of benefit, like a 1 TB of storage space you will get it, okay. So lot of facilities are there, so you can use that. Okay, so hope you all have understood it. Thank you for watching it, and all the best for your annual examination.